As cured-in-place pipe celebrates a robust and successful history in the rehabilitation of gravity-fed pipelines, the evolution of this technology for pressure-rated assets continues to forge ahead. Most of that innovation has been directed towards the municipal water and sewer segment, and other critical pressure-rated assets, such as fire mains, continues to fail with major implications to airports, hospitals, hotels, etc. This presentation will discuss how CIPP is a viable solution to life-saving pipelines and how RS BlueLine has set the standard through the approval of a major risk mitigation and insurance company. FM Global is a 200-year-old multinational risk mitigation company and the most recognized among property insurance companies. FM Global insures over 1/3 of the world's Fortune 1000 companies with a direct focus on preventative maintenance and proactive measures to mitigate the risk of maximum foreseeable losses due to major business interruption. Consistent with their promise to quality, FM Global formed the approvals arm of their company in 1886, which ensures that their clients are only receiving products and technology that have gone through the most stringent testing. RS BlueLine has become one of the most recognized pressure pipe CIPP systems in the industry today, due in large part to the quality installation procedures and sound engineering principles driven by HammerHead Trenchless. As a result, RS BlueLine became the first and only FM-approved CIPP system. In the winter of 2018, a major pharmaceutical manufacturer in Indianapolis had experienced a rupture of a fire main outside of a production building. During the excavation of the pipe to make the repair, it was discovered that the piping was not bedded correctly and the rough fill was rubbing on the piping during shrink and swell cycles. Suspecting that all the piping around the building was bedded the same way, it was determined to launch a multi-year effort to replace all of the fire main. Unfortunately, a large portion of this main was located under the loading dock to the building that had high traffic, so open trenching was not desirable. It was discovered that pipe lining for fire mains had been approved by FM in early 2022, so the FM insured client contacted HammerHead Trenchless to investigate lining the pipe under the dock. In October of 2022, a pilot project was pursued in order to line 125 linear feet of 12-inch ductile iron pipe, and this would be evaluated for future use of the remaining fire main on the campus. Through a collaborative effort from the FM insured client, HammerHead Trenchless, the RS BlueLine leading installer, Michaels Trenchless, and the on-site general contractor, the insured client now has a Class 4 fully structural FM 1616 compliant alternative to traditional open cut replacement. The subject client is in process of evaluating other areas in which major business interruptions can be avoided by utilizing the FM approved RS BlueLine system.